Namaste children, welcome to today's class and we are discussing chapter number 8 comparing quantities, in that compound interest. In the last class we studied what is compound interest, what is simple interest, how simple interest is calculated and how compound interest is calculated, what is the difference between compound interest and simple interest, how the compound interest is calculated annually, half yearly and quarterly. Annually, half yearly and quarterly. Using that knowledge, we are going to discuss exercise number 8.3. The first bit, calculate the amount and compound interest on. Calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 10,800 for 3 years at 12.1/2% per annum, compounded annually. See the words annually, half yearly, quarterly, annually, half yearly, quarterly. So annually means per year, half yearly means every 6 months once the interest is calculated. Means for 1 year, how many half years will be there? 2 years, 2 half years will be there. So if it is calculated compounded quarterly, means every 3 months. How many quarters will be there for 1 year? 4 quarters will be there. Now we will discuss the first bit in that A. Calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 10,800 for 3 years at 12.1/2% per annum, compounded annually. What we have to find? The total amount we have to find and also compound interest also we need to find. So first write the given data from the question. So given here 10,800 rupees will become what it is? Principal rupees 10,800 and 3 years will become what it is? Time. It is 3 years. 3 years and rate of interest R is equals to 12.1/2%. It is a mixed fraction, convert into improper fraction. It is 12 into 2, 24 plus 1, 25/2%. 22/5%. Here n stands for what? Number of years, that is time. So n is equals to what? 3. Now what we have to find? Compound interest and the amount. Calculate annually. So what is the formula here? A is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n, where A stands for the amount, P stands for the principal amount, and R stands for rate of interest, and n stands for number of periods, time periods in which the compound interest is calculated. Here annually the interest is calculated. Therefore, the time is given 3 years. Therefore, n is equals to what? 3. Write the proper formula and you substitute those values in the proper formula. That is, A is equals to P is equals to what it is? 10,800 into 1 plus R is equals to, it is 25/2 whole divided by 100 whole divided by 100 whole to the power of, what we will get here, it is whole to the power of n. Here n is equals to what it is? 3. n is equals to 3. Now simplify this. How to simplify this? Using our calculations. That is equals to 10,800 into 1 plus 25/2 is multiplied by 100. That is, it is divided by 100. It means it should be multiplied by the reciprocal of 100, which is 25/2 into 1 by 100. 25/2 into 100, that is 200 whole to the power of 3. See, that is the rough work here, you can do it. 25/2 is divided by 100 means 25/2 is multiplied with the reciprocal of 100. That is 25 into 1, 25 divided by 2 into 100 is equals to 200. Now cancel this. 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 5 zeros are 0. Then again with 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 eights are 40. 5 eights are 40. Now it is 10,800 plus, sorry, into 1 plus 1 by 8 whole cube. That is equals to 10,800 into, take LCM, 8 into 1 it is 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. 9 by 8 whole cube we will get. That is equals to 10,800 into 9 by 8 whole cube means 9 by 8 into 9 by 8 into 9 by 8. Now go for cancellations. Then it is see here, 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, 10 minus 8, 2, 2 with 8, 28, 8 threes are 24, 28 minus 24, 4, and bring 0, 40, 8 fives are 40, and bring 0, 8 zeros are 0. Again now it is 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6, 2 threes are 6, 13 minus 6 that is 1 with 5, 15, 2 sevens are 14, 15 minus 14 it is 1, bring 0, 10, 2 fives are 10. Now we should multiply what it is 675 into 9 into 9 into 9 divided by 1 into 4. It is 4, 4 into 8, 4 8s are 32. So we need to simplify this. How much we get? That will be what it is. That will be what it is. Amount. That is the final amount which he will get after 3 years. Now how to multiply this? 675 into 9 into 9. 9 nines are 81. 9 nines are 81. 81 into 9. It is see here. Calculations we will do here. 81 into 9. That is equals to 9 ones are 9. 9 eights are 72, 729, and it is multiplied by 675. It is multiplied by 675. Multiply this with 675. 5 nines are 45, 4, 5 twos are 10 plus 2, 10 plus 4, 14, 5 sevens are 35 plus 1, 36. Then with 7, 7 nines are 63, 7 twos are 14, 14 plus 6, 20. 2, 7 sevens are 49, 49 plus 2 it is 51. Then with 6, 6 nines are 54, 5 is there, 6 twos are 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 1 is there, 6 sevens are 42 plus 1 it is 43. Divide, that is add all 5, 4 plus 3, 7, 6 plus 4, 10, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, and it is 4. So how much we got here it is? By that by multiplying all those it is, we will get this 4,92,075 by 32. 75 by 32. So now divide that. Divide 4,92,075 with what it is? 32. Division. So it is 4,92,075 when it is divided by what? 32. So divide this with 32. 32 ones are 32. 9 minus 2 it is 7. 4 minus 3 1. Then bring to 172. Then with what it is 6 3s are 18. 180 it is much greater. So we will try for 5. 5 twos are 10, 1 is there, 5 threes are 15 plus 1, 16. Now subtract 2, 7 minus 6, 1, then bring 0, 120. So if we divide with 3, so 3 or 4 threes are 12, it will be more than 120. So it will go with 3 table. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Then subtract 10 minus 6 it is 4, 11 minus 9 it is 2, 24. Then bring what it is 7, 247. So 8 threes are 24, 8 twos are 16, we get 256, which is much greater. Therefore it will go with 17. 7 twos are 14, 1 is there, 7 threes are 21, 21 plus 1, 22. Now subtract 7 minus 4, it is 3, 4 minus 2 it is 2, 23. Then bring 5. 235. So it is again it will go with the 7 table. We will get 224. Then subtract. So what we get? 5 minus 4 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So all the digits are over. So key point we get zeros and we get 0 110. So 110. See here 110 means 3 5. If it is 5, 3 5s are 15, 150, 4, 3 4s are 12, 120. So it will go with 3 table. So we got already 3 table is equals to what? 96. Then subtract what we get. So 10 minus 6 it is 4. And then what it is 10 minus 9 it is 1. Then bring one more 0. 140 we got. So 140 means it will go with 4 table. Then what we get? 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 128. So go for borrowing 10. 10 minus 8 it is 2. Then 3 is 8. 3 minus 2 it is 1. 3 minus 2 it is 1. So next what it will be? So if you take next one more 0. 120. So 120 means it will go with what? 3 table. 3 table will get 96. Subtract 10 minus 6 4 and what it is 11 minus 10 is 2 24. So approximately 15,377.343. Take up to 2 digits. Here the third digit is 3 which is less than 3. So when we round it off what we get? Here 4 will be remaining. That is equals to how much? Rupees 15,377.34 rupees is the amount which he will get after 3 years. 15,377.34 rupees he will get. Next, amount we calculated and compound interest CI. Compound interest CI is equals to A minus E. That is A is equals to what? Amount 15,000 rupees 15,377.34 minus rupees 10,800. 10,800. Subtract these two. What we get by subtracting? 15,377.34. That is 10,800 rupees. So when we subtract 4 minus 0 4, 3 minus 0 it is 3 point, 7 minus 0 7, 7 minus 0 7. Go for borrowing. 3 plus 10 it is 13, 13 minus 8 it is 5. And then what is the here it is 4, 4 minus 0 it is 4. So what is the interest we get? It is compound interest 4,577.34 rupees. Therefore compound interest is equals to rupees 4,577.34 rupees you will get as the compound interest after 3 years. What is the total amount you will get after 3 years? It is 15,000 rupees 377.34 rupees. So here rate of interest is given in the fractional form, that is a mixed fraction. Convert this into an improper fraction. Substitute in the formula, that is A is equals to B into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. Substitute the given values and you simplify properly. You will get the amount what you will get after 3 years. Then by subtracting the principal amount 10,800 from the amount you will get the compound interest. Like this we will calculate the compound interest. Is it clear, children? Have you understand this? Now we will discuss exercise number 8.3. The fourth question. I borrowed rupees 1200 from Jamshed at 6% per annum simple interest for 2 years. So I borrowed how much rupees? 12,000 rupees. At the rate of interest is 6% per annum for how many years? 2 years. On which base it is? Simple interest. Simple interest. So I have to pay some interest to him along with the principal amount. Had I borrowed this amount at 6% per annum, same rate of interest per annum, compound interest, what extra amount would I have to pay? What extra amount I have to pay? That we have to find out. Extra amount means find the compound interest and find the simple interest. Observe in which case we pay the more amount. Definitely we will pay in the form of compound interest. How much we have to pay more compound interest, that we have to find out here. So here in this question you have to find simple interest as well as compound interest. Simple interest and compound interest. Now see here, what is the principal amount? Principal amount it is P is equals to rupees 12,000 and rate of interest R is equals to 6%. Then time T is equals to 2 years. Time T is equals to 2 years. So first find simple interest. Simple interest it is A. Simple interest. Simple interest. So what is the formula for simple interest? It is I is equals to PTR by 100. Now substitute in this. P is equals to 12,000 into time is equals to 2 years. Or rate of interest is equal to 6% divided by 100. So cancel both 2 zeros and 2 zeros are cancelled. Now multiply 2 into 6, 12. 6 2s are 12. 12 into 12 it is 144 and we have one zero is there. Keep that 0. So now what it is? Rupees 1440 rupees. Therefore simple interest is equals to simple interest SI simple interest is equals to rupees 1440. 1440 rupees is the simple interest. Now we have to calculate compound interest for annually. Compound interest is annually. So here compound interest. Find the compound interest. Find compound interest. Compound interest. So here n is equals to number of periods, time periods it is 2 years are there, so 2 is the n value. Now compound interest formula, that is amount formula, A is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. Now substitute those values. P is equals to principal, that is 12,000 rupees into 1 plus R, rate of interest is equal to 6, that is 6 by 100, 6 by 100 whole to the power of n is equals to what it is? 2. N is equals to 2. Now simplify this, that is 12,000, take LCM for 1 and it is 100, it is 100, 100 into 1, 100, 100 plus 6 it is 106 divided by 100 whole square. 106 divided by 100 whole square. Now find out, simplify this, that is 12,000 into 106 divided by 100 whole square means 106 by 100 into 106 by 100. Now simplify this, we will get the amount how much it has to pay after 2 years when it is calculated compound interest. So here 2 zeros and this is 2 zeros. Next here 1 0 and this is 1 0 or cancel. Now we need to multiply with the 10. So when we multiply with the 10, 1.12 will become what it is 1.2, or multiply the numerators, then you multiply divide with the 10. It is very easy for us to divide with the 10, 100 or 1000. So multiply 12 into, that is 12 into 106 into 106 divided by 10. Now multiply 106 into 106. So 6 6 are 36, 6 1s are 6. Now leave one digit. If you want to multiply with 0, leave one digit and multiply. So if you multiply with 0, you get 0 only. So we need to multiply with 1. So leave one more digit. That is 1 6 are 6, 1 zeros are 0, 1 1s are 1. We get 6. 3, 6 plus 6 is 12, 1 and it is 1. So how much you got? 11,236. 11,236. It is multiplied by 12. So now multiply with 12. 12 6 are 72. 7 is there. 12 3s are 36. 36 plus 7, 43. Next 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 1 is there. And 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 1, it is 13. How much it is? 1,34,832. Now what it is? 1,34,832 divided by 0. Now when you divide with 0, we will get the decimal point after one decimal from right side. There, that is equals to 13,483.2 rupees. This is amount. Now what we have to find? Compound interest. So compound interest CI is equals to amount minus principal. Amount minus principal. Amount is equals to 13,483.2 minus principal is equals to how much it is? 12,000. So subtract 12,000, we will get the compound interest. So when we subtract 12,000 from 13,483.2, from this number subtract 12,000. So what we get? Minus 2 minus 0, 2, 3 minus 0, 3, 3.8 minus 0, 8, 4 minus 0, it is 4, and 3 minus 2, it is 1. So how much it is? Rupees 1483.2 rupees is the compound interest. Simple interest is how much? Simple interest is 1440 rupees and compound interest is 1483.20 rupees. So is he paying compound interest more or less? Yes. How much more he has to pay? Means what to do? Subtract both the interest. Subtract both interest. That is 1483.2 minus 1440. So what we get when we subtract this? 2.38 minus 4, it is 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 4, it is 0. So how much it is? 43 rupees 20 paisa he has to pay more. How much he has to pay more? Therefore I have to pay what? Rupees 43.20 more. How much I have to pay? 43 rupees 20 paisa more I have to pay if I have taken the same amount for compound interest than to the simple interest. Simple interest we got it is 1440 rupees, whereas compound interest we got 1483.2. So how much I have to pay more means compound interest minus simple interest, we get 43 rupees 20 paisa. Therefore I have to pay rupees 43.20 rupees more extra money I have to pay to the junction. Is it clear, children? We have to find the simple interest and we have to find the compound interest. Both we need to compare. Clear? I hope you understand today's concept, that is finding compound interest and simple interest, comparison between compound interest and simple interest, in which case we will have to pay for same period and for same principal amount and for at the same rate of interest, in which case we will pay the more interest. Yes, it is compound interest than the simple interest. Compound interest than the simple interest. How much we will pay more when we have taken that situation arises, that is by subtracting the simple interest from the compound interest. So today we found a compound interest annually we found, and your homework it is exercise number 8.3, question number 2 and question number 3. Please complete the given homework and we will discuss and we will continue the same concept, that is how to find compound interest half yearly, quarterly, and where we apply this compound interest formula other than to find the compound interest. The same formula we will apply in some more areas. In which way we will apply that? We will find and we will discuss with the help of some questions. So please complete the given homework and thank you very much.